From the station you count on for local news that matters, this is KARK4 News at 5.
In the world of medicine, time can be the difference between life and death, whether it's getting to the hospital or catching a disease early on. As Claire Kreitz shows us, doctors at Baptist Health are encouraging more patients to take advantage of testing that can detect certain health conditions, creating a better quality of life.
1, 2, 3.
In this lab at Baptist Health in Little Rock,
Wash your hand.
doctors are able to get a glimpse into a patient's future with just the prick of a needle.
And then we send that to a lab that does the direct genetic testing on that.
Dr. Brian Burton is an OBGYN here at Baptist and says genetic testing can detect everything from health issues patients are more susceptible to, like cancer.
If it says you have a problem, if you have a genetic mutation, knowing what that is, how it's going to affect you, and what your long-term outcomes are because of that. And it makes a difference. It makes a real difference in people's lives.
It can also test a patient's child for certain health conditions before they are ever born.
If you were to find out that your child had Down syndrome, you would absolutely want to know other people who've gone through it and talk to people and just have a support group around you because there's some challenges.
It all starts with a simple screening.
There are lots of diseases that are passed from family member to family member, and so we really like to screen for those early to prevent long-term problems.
Baptist nurse Hannah Berry says it's important to know that family history before ever coming into the doctor's office.
We look at parents, grandparents, aunts, uncles.
From there, they will decide whether you qualify for genetic testing, all to help patients create a plan not only for their lives, but for their families.
And that way, it's not just this whirlwind of chaos and fear. You at least have some comfort to know what you're getting into.
Claire Kreitz reporting. If you're interested in genetic testing, you can talk to your primary caregiver. It takes about 2 weeks to get your results.